Here's a great use case for contact buttons. Somebody in the group had asked, how can you be looking at a contact page or even in conversations and open somebody's LinkedIn profile? So I did that real quick. I just made a custom field over here called LinkedIn profile, and I put my profile there. And now if I click on this button, just going to open up my profile and a page. So how I did that is over here, we've got a custom menu link called, move my head, called tools, right? So one of the tools that we have is contact buttons. I'm going to put a link to the free trial down below in this video, but it's just real simple, real straightforward. I can create a new button, or if I come over here to edit this button that I made, you can actually have this, you can name it, and then you can set the scope. I set it specifically to work at GHL Plugins, but if my agency had the need to where all of my sub accounts needed to have that access to that button, then I could do that. And I would just select here agency, and then all of my sub accounts are going to have that button. And then it's just going to link to that contacts custom field. And then from there, I dropped made it open in an external tab. Of course, I can iframe it. I'm not sure how LinkedIn's going to work if I iframe it. But then I just used the custom field that I want to link, and I made sure that it's secured over here. And that's it. And then from there, it's going to be on the contact page, as well as if I'm looking at the conversation page, I could select this contact if I were to text this sub account, and these buttons are going to work great. Again, the link for the free trial is just below this video. Feel free to check it out.